Hi guys, good day everyone. This is Jay. I'm here now with Mr. International Philippines Isabella, of course, with Adrian Ayala. Adrian, how are you?
I'm feeling successful and I'm winning every day.
Wow. So, how was your experience with the closed door interview?
Of course po, nandyan yung kaba, pero mostly excited. And I'm feeling grateful kasi natapos na rin.
Ayan. You are one of the best performers during the preliminary competition.
I'll take
So,
it as a compliment
how do
po.
you feel about it?
I'll take it as a compliment po, pero wag masyado lumaki yung ulo.
Uh-huh.
I'm still a candidate and my co-candidates are also strong. And I do believe na sana successful to.
Tell me, how did you prepare for that preliminary competition?
It was through hard work po. Everyday na practices and struggles talaga. And one time po na-discrash ako going to a practice and I still strive po. I still stood up.
Wow. Do you believe that everything happens for a reason?
Yes, I do believe. And I believe success is also part of it. And I'm striving for success and hopefully soon I'll be successful po talaga.
Alin ka doon mas nahirapan na tanong, yung part ng tanong sa closed door interview mo?
About sa surname ko po talaga. Kasi that's very personal na talaga sa akin.
Uh,
Kasi I carry a heavy surname po.
uh
And I do believe na I do hope na okay yung nasabi ko sa kanila.
Yeah. How do you feel about it na ganon? Hindi ka ba natatakot or na pagkaguluhan ng ibang tao because of your surname?
Um, Tao lang din naman po ako. I have that fear. But I do believe I can overcome it. Because as days goes by, I'm learning and striving more.
How do you feel about living an extraordinary people?
Can you repeat that po?
How do you how do you feel about living as an extraordinary person?
I see that as a very subjective din po kasi we all are extraordinary person. And I believe na iba-iba yung quality natin as a person.
Mhm.
And I hope na yung qualities ko today may leave a mark po sa Mr. International Philippines.
Paano ka napunta sa Mr. International Philippines? Did you had your pageant before, or who encouraged you to join?
One is of course po support from my mom and some friends po, and I won my pageant po on last 2023 pa po on a university in Cagayan Valley po.
So
And
it's
that's a very big university po.
all
Okay.
right. So it's more on sa school pageants lang. So first
Yes
time mo
po.
dito sa national pageant.
Opo, it was my first time po talaga.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell me what hardships you had encountered.
A lot actually. Pressure, yun yung pinakamalala talaga. And andi dito yung mga co-candidates ko, si Cagayan talaga. Siya yung nagtumulong sa akin and meron yung time nun na parang as in maiiwan na kami going to Bataan na, and as in kailangan ko papatanggal yung brace ko, and
Uh,
sabi ko mauna na siya and nandiyan talaga siya. As in nape-pressure na ako, mandadamay pa talaga ako na hindi makapunta ng Bataan because of me.
uh Ano naman yung mga hindi mo malilimutang moment doon sa Bataan?
Sa Bataan is of course talaga yung White Corals Beach Resort. I saw the beauty through it, and that beyond beauty, there's also you need to take care of it, because taking care of our environment is the foundation of the youths also, because kinabukasan rin nila yon, and of course para sa atin na rin.
If given a chance to win this competition, like Mr. International Philippines, ano yung unang hakbang na gagawin mo just to help the organization's mission and vision?
Let's be real po, I'm just a single person and I can do that much. I cannot promise them a lot, but I promise them my time. I'll do everything what I can do today, and I hope na malaki yung maitulong ko talaga sa kanila.
Mhm. Ayun. And syempre, um, maraming nanonood ngayon na mga kabataan sa interview natin. What's your message to them, and how will you encourage them to fight despite of their challenges?
You see, I'm the living testament of it. I'm still a person. I fought too many challenges na. I know I'm still young, but there's still a lot to fight for. And I do hope na ma-inspire ko kayo through my courage, dedication, and of course, this passion. Na despite also na I have a heavy surname to carry, I'm still a person. Yun lang po.
Yun. Thank you so much, Adrian. And you can invite them to watch the coronation night.
Hello everyone, I'm Adrian Ayala, proudly representing Isabela. Hello everyone, again my name is Adrian Rafael Ayala, proudly representing Isabela. Thank you for your support and I hope na manood po kayo sa Grand Coronation Night this July 2025 here at Novotel Manila, Araneta City.
Thank you so much, Adrian, and best of luck.
Best of luck po. Thank you.